Before we get into detail about the anatomy and pathophysiology of the eustachian tube and otitis media, I thought it would be worthwhile to spend some time understanding how it functions in normal circumstances. The eustachian tube is closed for most of the time. It is closed passively and opens intermittently when the tensor veli palatini muscle, the muscle which attaches onto the cartilaginous portion of the eustachian tube, contracts, for example when swallowing. This allows it to fulfill its three functions, the most important of which is that of pressure regulation. The second function of the eustachian tube is protection, and it achieves this in two ways. First of all, through its structure. The length and narrowness of the tube acts as a physical barrier between the secretions of the nasopharynx and the middle ear. Even during the times when the cartilaginous portion of the eustachian tube opens, say for example during swallowing, only a small amount of nasopharyngeal secretion can get into the tube due to the narrow mid portion, the isthmus, through which nasopharyngeal secretions find it hard to penetrate. The second means of protection is provided for by respiratory epithelium, which lines the middle ear, creating a local immunological defense against bacteria and viruses. The third function of the eustachian tube is clearing out secretions away from the inner ear. It achieves this, first of all, with ciliated epithelia along the lumen of the eustachian tube, which waft away material from the middle ear to the nasopharynx. Second of all is the muscular pumping action that exists along the eustachian tube to drain fluid.